This session we are bringing you how to sculpt your middle body. Most focus being your obliques and your waist. Let's get started. Instead of now carrying light weights, let's progress to a little heavy weights. Otherwise 2 liters or 3 liters of water bottle. Let's get started. Stand comfortably, feet as wide as your hips, and hold the water bottle or the weight in one hand and just bend sideways without putting any stress around your neck. There you go. Don't come forward, just side bends. Very simple workout. It's all about bending in a different angles. We'll show you how. Control your core muscles, hold them as tight as you can, focus on breath work, and as you can see, you are lengthening on one side, shortening on the other side, working on the side of your mid body, working on your waist. Just continue and go along with Pranya. She is taking you through the entire segment. We are not just showing you 3-4 moves. She is showing you a complete segment. Just go with her.
Now change the angle.
So as you can see, she has changed the angle. If you can imagine, if she is standing on a clock, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, she has shifted the right leg a little diagonally back. So it could be between, let's say 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Don't make it so complicated, just shift the leg a little back diagonally and continue doing the same bends. As you can see, you are little working on your oblique muscles. The angle is shifting from the waist to obliques, and that's how you will be sculpting around, working around the entire mid body. Beautiful. So now the angle has been changed to the front in the same diagonal way. It's nothing complicated. Even if the angle is slightly here, there is no worry, nothing to worry about. You can see how the obliques are getting squeezed and the lats are lengthening up. It's a beautiful mid-body workout. Continue doing it, but be advised, please carry heavy weight. You are done with lightweight now. But of course, if you are a beginner, yes, continue with the lightweight. But for those who have gone further, please get yourself a heavy weight. Heavy dumbbell would be advisable. So people with back pain, this may not be very comfortable because so much of bending. So people with back pain can definitely avoid this workout, or you can restrict the range of movement. You don't have to go all the way down. So this is definitely not for those who are having back issues. You're bending forward and lengthening up, squeezing your mid body and stretching up.
Now sliding back towards your knee.
So place your hand on back of your thigh on your hamstring muscle and just slide down towards the back of your knee. That's it. And you will be now opening up your oblique muscles and you will be contracting your lats. You can see the back view. Don't allow the hand to hang out. Just let it rest on back of your thigh and just slide it and see how your lats are getting squeezed. That's it. That's the area you're working. The most concern area for all of us, especially for those who wear saris. Obviously, we all want to show off our mid region. So we don't want to have those extra curves hanging down. So this is a very beautiful workout to get rid of that issue. Hope it's clear. Enjoy it. And this again should be done on every alternate day. The other day being a rest day for that muscle. Signing off.